Good morning. It is no longer Easter. Don't mind that. Today we're gonna be going to the beach because as you can see, our pool is green. So we can't swim in the pool today. It's a bit of a long story about our pool guy. It's been a disaster. There's infighting. Our pool guy stopped coming and he actually quit like his company, and so we had to switch companies. It's a whole mess. So like while this gets fixed, we are going to be going to the beach today. I'm going to be making Declan some oatmeal for breakfast with some apples and cinnamon, and then I'm going to cut the other apple for his snack on the way to the beach. I'm just going to make French toast and bacon for us grown-ups. These are perfect slices for his snacks. So now I'm going to cut up some watermelon so we can enjoy as a snack on the beach. So how I'm going to cut it is to keep the rind on it so it's easier to hold. Nice watermelon. I've been having really bad luck with watermelon these days because I guess it wasn't in season. All done. Also, excuse my voice, we all got sick. We all got COVID, and it was a nightmare. Literally, we've been sick for like 2 weeks, and we're finally getting out of it. So, I'm just happy to go out and get some vitamin D on the beach, relax, and be not sick. The bacon is ready. The apples are steamed for Declan's oatmeal. French toast is cooking. I'm just gonna cut up some strawberries, and yeah, should be good to go. This is the milk I use for Declan now. It's the growing years. He doesn't drink it just like from the carton, but I put it in his stuff. His little bowl. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon to the milk, some nutmeg, vanilla. So this is the finished product. We got your French toast bacon fruit medley for ×2, and then for Declan he has his oatmeal with apple, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So we're ready to eat and have a hearty breakfast before the beach. So we're all ready for the beach. I'm in my beach outfit. So I've packed everyone's snacks for the beach. We got some Asian mixed crackers, coconut water, water canteens for everybody, some puffs, Declan's fruit snacks. I really like these Once Upon a Farm pouches. And then on the bottom there is his apples that I sliced up earlier, and then the watermelon that I sliced up earlier with some ice packs. So I think we are good to go.
Too much info. You're gambling with your life, stop playing. What they here for? Still hearing these niggas.
We've made it to the beach, kind of. Brody has Declan, and I have everything else. So we reached the beach. Here's our beach setup. Declan, don't eat that, please. Don't eat the sand. Putting the sand in the bucket. So Brody was mad that I was packing up everything. He's like, oh, you're bringing too much stuff. Now look at him.
What? Brought nothing.
Eating all the snacks.
Shitty snacks. Oh, okay, that's really cold. Oh. It's probably really cold, babe. Woo! Ah. Glad y'all had fun freezing your butts off. Did you have fun, buddy?
I think you did.
Good. Oh my god, that water was so cold.
Actually, wasn't that bad.
It was freezing. Not like our pool. I miss our pool.
So, we just finished at the beach. We're here waiting for Brody to come pick us up. It was a bit of a walk. We didn't want to do the walk again. So, we're waiting here with all of our stuff. A lot of beach stuff. Brody's gonna pull up and come and rescue us. Yeah! A few weeks later, my mom came into town and we decided to go to the LA County Fair. So this is footage weeks after we went to the beach. Because I got 2 adult tickets and 1 senior for you. I should have gotten all senior, it would have been cheap. We've arrived at the fair with my mom.
Mandatory that we stop and talk to all of our positive people here today. I see you ladies walking and I see your smiles. You guys get a free gift from us today.
Oh no, thank you, thank you. Corn dogs. What do you got there, babe? Look at Declan's looking at you like, wanna try, buddy? No. We having a meal. Declan's eating his fries. We got corn dogs, onion rings. My mom went to go find ketchup. So we're just waiting for her while we eat. Good morning, brethren. I don't think I closed out yesterday's vlog at the fair, but today is a brand new day. The fair was great. It was a fun time, but it was just super crowded. Brody was in a bad mood as usual. So yeah, we got home and we passed out because we were so tired. And today is a new day. We're going to the park. We're taking the boys to hang out at the park, play a little bit, tire themselves out, and then go take a nap. Are you gonna go with him? Yeah. No, let him go by himself.
Why?
Cause he's a big boy now.
He's gonna go with you.
Okay, watch his arm so he doesn't break his leg. Watch his leg, don't slide. Woo!
Woo! Good job, buddy. You made it all the way down the slide.
So this is where I'll leave you guys on our family walk. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!